I'll send you that. Let's come in here. Yeah, this. So now try to understand the question. It says, Mara Dobart is a lady, that's a mother, beschreibt ihre Familie. Beschreiben means to describe. Beschreiben means to describe something. Ihre Familie, that means her family. So she is describing her family. So this is the thing is given here. But this minor, two possessive words you will be learning right now. Possessive article, that means possessive article, jaise hum my, your, her, his. So we'll be learning the first possessive article here, mine and minor. So there is a very small difference. All the masculine words take mine, mein Sohn, mein Kind. Masculine and neutrum, they takes mine. And feminine and plural, they do take meine. So meine Tochter, meine Kinder. And when it comes to accusative, so you know in the accusative only the masculine article changes to from there to then. So similarly, here also only masculine possessive article will change in the thing, that it will change to meinen. Otherwise, all the articles will be same in accusative. Mine, minor, minor. Yeah. Okay. So, accusative may only mine changes to mine, none. Rest remains the same. Now you have to fill in these mine, minor in these particular blanks. Yeah. So, it will take accusative, nominative, that I'm leaving on your knowledge. But try to fill it. Try to see that for which noun we are using minor, minor. If it is plural and feminine, we're going to use minor. If it is masculine and neutrum, we're going to use mine. First example is there. Mara Dobart, she's saying, Ich bin Ärztin, I am a doctor, und habe zwei Kinder, and I have 2 children. Meine Kinder, so we are using for Kinder, so the word is meine. Meine Kinder gehen hier in Frankfurt in die Schule. So my Kinder, they go to the school in Frankfurt. And then dash Sohn Florian is 12, dash Dr. Lena is 14. So fill in mine, minor, what do you feel like? Fill it and then we'll discuss. Fill the possessive article in these blanks and then we're going to discuss. Here, Mara Dobart beschreibt ihre Familie, ergänzen Sie. So, one example I have already discussed with you. Sana, lesen Sie Nummer 2 bitte.
Yes. Mein Sohn Florian ist Seoul. Meine Tochter Lena ist
Yeah.
I forgot.
14. Yeah, okay, good. Mein Sohn Florian ist 12 und meine Tochter Lena ist 14. Samriddhi, gehen Sie weiter. Read the next sentence bitte.
Meinen Mann heißt Hans. Er ist Techniker.
Ein Moment, Samriddhi. Did you write here meinen Mann?
Yes, ma'am.
But why did you make man as accusative? What is the, if man is accusative in here, then what is the nominative subject? I cannot see any nominative subject here. Hannes is to the name. Heißen is the verb. So what is nominative subject here? Why did you make man as accusative?
By mistake.
Yeah, so mein man, not meinen man, right? If you are making or if you are using accusative in a sentence, you need to have a nominative subject. So in this sentence, there is no nominative subject. Man is the only person, only subject there. So that's why man is nominative. So mein Mann heißt Hannes. Yeah.
Okay.
Then er ist Techniker. Okay, good. Then Ashwin, lesen Sie die zweite next to okay, next one.
Am Wochenende besuche ich oft meinen Bruder.
Sehr gut. Am Wochenende besuche ich oft meinen Bruder. So here ich is your nominative subject. So brother will be your accusative object and brother is masculine. So it will change to meinen Bruder. Yeah,
So it'll be
Samriddhi and
besuche
Sana,
ich.
did you
It
write
won't be
meinen?
ich besuche.
Uh-huh.
There's no, in this case, it will be besuche ich, not ich besuche.
क्योंकि आप देखोगे अश्विन, if the sentence is starting with the time, I told you when the sentence starts with time, so second place we keep it for the verb. We don't change the position of the verb.
Okay.
So this sentence starting with am Wochenende, that's why we wrote here besuche ich. If you could have written this sentence this way as well, I'll write it another way.
Ich besuche am Wochenende.
Ja, richtig. Ich besuche am
Oft,
Wochenende oft meinen Bruder.
Okay.
Very good. So this could have been the other way to write the sentence, but in this book we have the time first. That's why the second place has to be for verb, and then we have placed the. So it means that we can change the place of subject and the timing. We can either begin the sentence with the subject, or we can begin the sentence with the timing, but this verb place, it won't change. It will remain in the second position. So here, Sana, did you write meinen or mine?
I wrote meinen.
Samriddhi?
Meinen.
Yeah, very good. So here it's an accusative Satz. Very good. Now, Sana, lesen Sie Satz, complete karo sentence ko pura jo bhi hai.
I just need a pronunciation after arrest.
You can do it yourself. Break the word in 3 parts. Fair. And then HIE ko break karo. And then last wala RATET. 3 parts mein break karo and let me know the pronunciation.
Heiratet.
Fair. Heiratet. Fair heiratet. Yeah, fair heiratet is married.
Er ist verheiratet und wohnt auch in Frankfurt. Meine Schwester sehe ich leider nicht so oft. Sie ist
Ladish.
ledig und wohnt in Kiel.
Okay. Sie ist ledisch und wohnt in Kiel. Now, yaha, the answer is meine Schwester. Das ist richtig. But I want to know that this sentence, meine Schwester sehe ich leider nicht so oft, accusative nominative Satz.
Nominative. No, accusative. Yeah.
Okay, then
Schwester
what is the nominative
no,
subject here?
Schwester is a nominative. Ich is accusative, I think.
Okay, the thing is, Ashwin, here, this sentence also has changed the position. The position has changed. Here, ich is again nominative, Schwester is accusative. So what they have done here, this is something, sometimes it becomes confusing when they change the position of certain subjects or something. So what they have done in this sentence, I'll tell you, the sentence is like this. Ich sehe meine Schwester oft nicht, right? This is the normal sentence, but they twisted it. If it had been like this, then you could have easily guessed that ich is nominative and
Where is
Schwester is
leider?
accusative.
Leider, where does that come?
Okay, leider we have, let me check the sentence einmal. Okay, leider nicht so oft. Yeah, so it will be, ein Moment, I forgot there is a leider as well. Ich sehe meine Schwester leider nicht oft. Leider is unfortunately, I don't see her often. Yeah, leider nicht oft. Yeah, okay. So this sentence is that this is the easiest way to write the sentence. The other way is right. The other way is this. Meine Schwester sehe ich leider nicht oft. Now, in both the cases, you have the second way in the book given. Meine Schwester sehr ist leider nicht so oft. So both the sentences are same. It's just that they have changed the position of the subject, right? So you can do that as well. You can also begin the sentence with the subject, or you can begin the sentence with the object. So this sentence is something that we have not habituated with. That's why you might got confused that meine Schwester in the first place, so it has to be the subject, but it's not right. It is ish. So ish is, if ish is there in the subject, in the sentence, and this has to be the nominative subject, because we are talking about I. I don't see my
teacher,
sister
what do you-
often. Yeah, Ashwin.
Oh, sorry.
So the sentence structure is a bit different. Please do not get confused. If there is ish, then that ish has to be nominative, because normally we say, I don't see my sister often. So I don't, that is I is your subject, don't see my sister. So my sister has to be accusative. So this is the tricky thing given in the book. So don't get confused. Okay. Sie ist ledisch. She is single und wohnt in Kiel, and she lives in Kiel. Yeah. So here, there is two new words you have got, verheiratet and ledisch. Now, what is verheiratet? Verheiratet is married. So many people, they do add this in their introduction part as well, that are they married or are they ledisch? So for example, I would say ich bin ledisch. That means I am single. And if you are married, then you would say ich bin verheiratet. Yeah. So Sana can skip this thing right now because she is in the school, so nobody will gonna ask her. But then Samriti and Ashwin, you can add in that ich bin verheiratet or ich bin ledisch. Yeah, this is. Okay, so this was the minor thing. Yeah, you're doing well with accusative. That's not a concern right now. I'm not worried about it, because in the beginning, it's okay. People do confuse about it a lot, because book and sentences are there to make you confuse. That's okay, not an issue, but you're doing good.